villas on rent, achieving 400% growth in organic users. Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll explore the incredible story of how a villa rental company achieved a staggering 400% growth in organic users by leveraging SEO strategies. This case study will provide actionable insights, detailed examples, and tools to help you replicate their success. Let's dive in. Introduction. The villa rental industry is highly competitive, with businesses vying for visibility in search engine results to attract travelers. One company managed to break through this competition and achieved remarkable growth in organic traffic, going from zero visibility to industry-leading rankings. By implementing a robust SEO strategy focused on technical fixes, content marketing, and digital PR, they transformed their online presence. In this video, we'll dissect their challenges, strategies, and results while providing practical tips and tools you can use for your own business. The challenges. The villa rental company faced several obstacles. 1. Zero visibility. After launching their platform, they struggled to rank for any relevant keywords. 2. Technical issues. Their custom CMIs had several errors that hindered indexing and crawling by search engines. 3. Content deficiency. They lacked optimized content targeting high-value keywords related to villa rentals and vacation destinations. 4. Intense competition. Competing with established players required innovative strategies to stand out. The strategy. To tackle these challenges, the company partnered with SEO experts and implemented a comprehensive strategy. 1. Technical SEO fixes. Resolved issues in the custom CMS platform, including broken links and duplicate content. Optimized page speed and mobile usability to improve rankings. Updated robots.txt files and sitemaps for better crawlability. 2. Content marketing. Created high-quality content targeting popular vacation destinations like Los Angeles, Mexico, and Hawaii. Published blogs such as Top Villas in Hawaii for Luxury Travel or How to Choose the Perfect Villa Rental. Optimized destination pages with long-tail keywords like Luxury Villas in Los Angeles. 3. Digital PR and link building. Secured backlinks from authoritative travel websites through guest posts and partnerships. Focused on building links with high domain ratings, DR scores above 50, to boost site authority. 4. Competitor analysis. Studied competitors' strategies to identify gaps in their own approach. Analyzed top-ranking pages to understand user intent and optimize content accordingly. 5. PPC support. Used paid campaigns strategically to target key markets while organic rankings improved. The results. The results of these efforts were extraordinary. Organic traffic growth increased from 0 visitors in January 2017 to over 12,000 monthly visitors by January 2019. Keyword rankings achieved page 1 rankings for over 2,000 keywords, including top 3 positions for more than 500 keywords. Lead generation, hundreds of qualified leads per month with an average value of 4 figures. Traffic value. The PPC equivalent of their organic traffic was valued at $31,000 monthly. Here's a table summarizing the key metrics. Metric improvement. Organic traffic plus 12,000 month. Keywords, number 1 rankings, plus 500 positions. Leads generated hundreds month. Traffic value $31,000 per month. Example. Optimizing destination pages. Let's take a detailed example of how the company optimized their destination pages. 1. Keyword targeting. Identified high-value keywords like luxury villas in Hawaii and villa rentals in Mexico. 2. Content creation. Developed engaging descriptions highlighting unique features of each destination. Example. Ocean views or private pools. Added FAQs targeting long-tail queries like what amenities are included in luxury villas? 3. Internal linking. Link destination pages to related blog posts like best beaches in Hawaii or top attractions near Los Angeles villas. 4. Schema implementation. used structured data for reviews and FAQs to appear in rich snippets. By optimizing these pages, the company attracted more relevant traffic and converted users into leads. Tools and resources. Here are some tools they likely used to achieve their goals. 1. Technical SEO tools. Screaming Frog, to identify technical issues like broken links. Gmetrics, for improving page speed. 2. Keyword research and tracking. SEMrush, to discover high-value keywords. Google Keyword Planner, for search volume analysis. 3. Content optimization. Yoast SEO, for optimizing meta tags and readability. Grammarly, to ensure error-free writing. 4. Link building and outreach. Ahrefs, for backlink analysis and competitor research. BuzzStream, for managing outreach campaigns. 5. Analytics and reporting. Google Analytics, to track organic traffic growth. SEO Clarity, for large-scale data analysis and ranking intelligence. Key takeaways. Here are some lessons from this success story. 1. Fix technical issues early. Address foundational problems like crawlability and page speed before scaling your SEO efforts. 2. Focus on content marketing. Create high-quality content targeting popular destinations or niche topics relevant to your audience. 3. Leverage digital PR for backlinks. Build relationships with authoritative websites in your industry to boost domain authority. 4. Analyze competitors strategically. Study top-ranking competitors to identify gaps and optimize your approach accordingly. 5. Combine organic and paid strategies. Use PPC campaigns strategically while building organic rankings over time. Conclusion. This villa rental company's journey demonstrates the power of a well-executed SEO strategy combined with content marketing and technical improvements. By focusing on user intent, optimizing destination pages, building backlinks, and addressing technical issues, they achieved remarkable growth in organic traffic and lead generation. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with others who might benefit from these strategies. And most importantly, subscribe now to our channel for more case studies and actionable tips on digital marketing success. Thank you for watching. See you next time.